shoppers, my name's Craig. I'm with FLOORZZ.com. Today I'm going to talk about one of our engineered hardwood products, the Montage collection from HF Design Series. This is a European white oak. It is also offered in a European walnut as well. They both feature hand distressing on it. The finish of this product is a natural oil-based finish, and you've got a couple big benefits with an oil-based finish product. One, it gets you an extra richness to the wood. Gives it more clarity, and it gives you a good vision of the textures in the wood, as well as if you get a scratch or any kind of damage spot on your hardwood, there is an oil touch-up kit available, and you can simply sand down to that little spot, apply some of the oil touch-up kit on it, and it blends the scratch into the natural finish of the color. This product can be installed via glue. You can float it, and then you can nail or staple it down as well. If you do have any questions, please contact us on FLOORZZ.com or give us a call at 1-833-FLOORZZ. Thank you for your time.